Thanks to Amazon, Warhammer 40,000 is getting an animated TV show. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Variety reported that Amazon MGM Studios, Blur Studios, and Games Workshop are developing an adaptation of the sci-fi franchise. The new project will be a spin-off of this secret-level episode based on the game. Dave Wilson directed the Warhammer 40k episode of that Prime Video anthology show, and he'll serve in the same role for the new animated show, as well as being its co-creator. Famed Warhammer 40k fan Henry Cavill, who's already involved in live-action adaptations of the game, has been attached as an executive producer. Wilson isn't the only talent from Secret Level to join this adaptation. Creator Tim Miller will also be an executive producer for the upcoming animated project, and Blur Studios, which Miller co-founded, helped produce the anthology. Each installment of that show was based on a different video game, meaning even the short-lived Concord has been immortalized on CG film. Games Workshop, which makes the tabletop war game, shared a few updates about the live-action projects during a recent financial report. It's apparently been slow-moving, with the creative team only now moving toward penning a script several years after Amazon inked its deal for the rights to the property. CEO Kevin Rountree also confirmed Cavill's continued involvement, since fans had worried that a lack of updates might have signaled the actor's departure. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.